Welcome to our channel Electron Chemistry Tutorials. Okay, so how are you doing, my dear students? Are you preparing well for final exams? Well done, keep it up. Okay, now I want to share with you some PPT of blueprint paper pattern and important questions also. Okay, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's start. Okay, now TS enters second year chemistry paper pattern. So in that we have three sections. In that first section, section A, we will have 15 VSAQs. So in that we need to write answers for only 10 VSAQs. Okay. So in section B, so we will have 14 short answer type questions. So we need to write answers for 6 questions only. So the third section, so there will be 4 long answers. We need to write 2 long answers only. So total will get 60 marks. Okay. So they will give 118 marks paper, but we need to write only 60 marks paper. Okay. It is easy when compared with the last year, right? Well done. Next, blueprint, chapter wise weightage or blueprint. So see here, solid state 10 marks weightage. They will give 2 marks questions 3 here. So 1 short answer, 4 marks question. Okay, solutions 10, 14 marks weightage. They will give 2 marks questions 3 and 1 LAQ. Okay, so electrochemistry and chemical kinetics weightage 12 marks. They will give 1 short answer, 1 long answer. Surface chemistry 12 marks weightage. They will give 2 VSAQs and 2 short answers. Okay, P block elements from 15th group elements 6 marks weightage. They will give 2 plus 4. So 16th group elements they will give a long answer. Okay, 8 marks weightage long answer. Okay, next 17th group elements. So 6 marks weightage they will give 1 BSAQ, 1 short answer type question. 18th group elements 4 marks they will give only short answer. So D and A block and coordination compounds 14 marks weightage they will give 1 VSAQ and 3 short answer type questions. Okay. Next biomolecules 8 marks weightage they will give 2 marks questions 2 and 1 short answer. Okay. Haloalkane, haloarenes 4 marks weightage they will give 1 4 marks question. So remaining organic chapter 20 marks weightage they will give 2 marks questions 2 and short answers also 2, 1 LAQ. Okay. So for LAQ we need to concentrate on the solution chapter and chemical kinetics and electrochemistry and group elements. Okay, P block elements, especially 16th group elements. Okay, next organic chemistry. Okay, then we will see long answer type questions. Okay, from solutions, RLVP we know very well, very important question. So now how many type of solutions? So problems on mole fraction. This is also problem on mole fraction, molality problem. Okay, so then this is Raoult's law problem, 7th question, 8th question also Raoult's law problem. Okay, so then this is molarity problem again. Okay, so then that's why molarity concentrate on the Raoult's law problem, molarity problem, molality problem. Okay, so this is what solution of sucrose labeled as a mole fraction. We need to calculate mole fraction of solute. Okay, so here also Raoult's law problem, 11th question. So this is osmotic nature. So these are all our 12th questions from solutions. Okay, so here each question 4 marks worth, but they will make a long answer by combination of any 2 questions here. Okay, so that's why don't ignore them. So you have to learn them. Okay, next chapter, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics. So we know very well electrolysis at Faraday's law is very important with the problem. Okay, so copper sulfate problem 10 minutes time as given, 1.5 amperes of current is given. So maybe they will change time and amperes of current. So but same problem. Okay. Next state and explain gold laws and applications. Next order molecular difference between them. Example for bimolecular, trimolecular reaction. Next, discuss the effect of temperature and rate of reaction. Okay, so these four are important LIQs from chemical kinetics and electrochemistry. Okay, next from P block elements. So from 15th group elements, first of all process for preparation of vapors. So ammonia means nitric acid. Sorry, from 15th group elements. How is nitric acid manufactured by Hostwall process? How nitric acid reacts with followings? Okay. Next question. So how ammonia is manufactured by Haber process? How ammonia reacts with followings? These questions are expected like this. Then from 16th group elements, ozone preparation with properties of ozone with followings. Next, chlorine preparation with in laboratory or Decans process. So reacts with followings. Okay, ma. Next, 17th group, one more question. Chlorine preparation by electrolytic method reacts with followings of chlorine. Okay. Next, preparation of means how to prepare xenon difluoride, tetrafluoride, hexafluoride reacts with water and their structures. Very very important. Next, xenon trioxide, xenon oxide, tetrafluoride preparation and their structures important. Okay. The next chapter, organic chemistry, we will expect SN1, SN2 reaction mechanisms, or remote timer, Kolb's, Williamson synthesis, or third question, aldol condensation, cross aldol, decarboxylation, Kanijaros reaction. Okay. So these are expected questions from solutions and electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, P block elements, and organic. Okay. Next, go for shorts. Solid state. So Bragg's equation define Schottky-Frenkel effect, similarities between metallic and ionic crystalline solids. Explain the ionic solids are hard and brittle. Why? So calculate the packing efficiency for simple cubic crystal structure. Okay, next electrochemistry, chemical kinetics. Okay, so here non-stick equation, state and explain non-stick equation for metals and non-metals. What is the She? Standard hydrogen electrode. So gave their working and structure, construction. Okay, next write the non-stick equation for the EMF of the cell. Okay, next define and explain order of the reaction, how obtained experimentally. So what is half-life? Derive its value for first order, zero order. Next, Arrhenius equation, and simply effect of temperature, rate of reaction. Okay. Next, explain the terms: average rate of reaction, slow and fast reactions, order of reaction, molecularity of reaction, activation energy of reaction. These terms also important. So discuss the effect of catalyst on the kinetics of chemical reaction, means the effect of catalyst on the rate of a reaction. Okay. Next, last question, integrated rate equation for zero order and first. This is also very important expected question. Next, so what is the rate of a reaction? Explain the factors affecting on the rate of reaction. This is a half-life problem. So this is also half-life problem. Here half-life is given, but here K is given. Okay. So by using half-life value, K is equals to 0.693 by T half. By using this formulas, we can calculate T half for K. Okay. Surface chemistry. So explain terms: absorption, adsorption, adsorbent, adsorbate. Okay. Difference between physisorption, chemisorption, leophilic, leophobic, colloidal solutions. Okay. Next, explain the following terms again. Electrophoresis, coagulation, Tyndall effect, Brownian momentum. Tyndall effect, Brownian momentum, very very important. They will may come as VSQs. Okay. So what are micelles? Discuss the mechanism of formation of micelle and cleaning action of soap. What is coagulation? So suitable examples. So what are the colloidal solutions? How they are classified? Give example. Periodic torque method for preparation of colloidal solution. Quartal smoke precipitator with neat diagram. So gold number. Define gold number. Next chapter, P block elements. From P block elements, anomalous behavior of N2 and explain structures of SO4 minus 2, SO3, BrF5, IF7. So how can you prepare Cl2 from HCl or HCl from Cl2? Okay, so both are important. So what are the interhalogen compounds? Define how they are classified. Balance the following reactions. Sodium chloride is heated with concentrated H2SO4, sulfuric acid in the presence of manganese dioxide. Chlorine is passed into a solution of sodium iodide in water. So then how does P4 reacts with followings? SOCl2, SO2, Cl2. Okay. Next, P block elements. One more question. How is chlorine trifluoride is prepared? How does it react with the water? Explain its structure. So then, which oxide of sulfur can act as both oxidizing and reducing agents? Give example. Okay. So D and F block coordination compounds. First important question: Werner's theory. Next, characteristics of transition elements. Next, terms: ligand, ambidentate ligand, coordination number, coordination entity, and central metal atom are I. Okay. Next, write the IUPAC. So write the formula for the following IUPAC names of what? Coordination compounds. So here fifth question, IUPAC names of the following coordination compounds. For given formulas, we need to write IUPAC names for that coordination compounds. Okay. Next. So give the oxidation number of central metal atom for the following complex entity. So that which is central atom. So then we need to calculate the oxidation number for the central atom. Next, homoleptic and heteroleptic complexes give one complex for each. So lanthanide compaction consequences. What is meant by chelate effect? Okay. Next, from biomolecules. So write a note on amino acid. So next, define carbohydrates. How are they classified based on the taste, hydrolysis, and function? Okay. So what are proteins? How they are classified into fibrous and globular proteins. So then explain the classification of proteins as primary, secondary, tertiary protein, tertiary and quaternary proteins. Next, explain the denaturation of proteins. Write a note on brief note on glucose, structure of glucose. Next, organic. How will you can carried out the following conversions: ethane to bromoethane, toluene to benzyl alcohol. Okay. Next, give the equation of preparation of phenol from cumin. Next, products formed by the oxidation and reduction of phenol. Explain the acidic nature of phenol when compared with the alcohols. Next, write the mechanism of hydration of ethane to ethanol. Next, define terms: racemic mixture, retention of configuration, enantiomers, racemizations. Okay, so arrange the following in increasing order of the acidic strength: benzoic acid, 4 methoxybenzoic acid, 4 nitrobenzoic acid, and 4 methyl benzoic acid. Okay, next remaining questions: write the equation for any aldehyde with failing reagent. What is Tollens reagent? Reaction with aldehydes. So aromatic aliphatic compounds reacts with primary amines. Okay, so write the reaction for that. So give one chemical test for distinguish the following: methylamine, dimethylamine. How to distinguish aniline and N-methyl aniline. Next, some name reaction. You need to concentrate on the name reactions for VSQ short also. So in that, I will give you. So for name reaction, HVJ reaction, carboylamine test, esterification, Wurtz reaction. Okay. So these are what shorts from organic chemistry. Okay. So these are all are what are longs and shorts paper pattern blueprint. Okay, ma? Fine. Okay. So in the next video, I will give you VSQ chapter wise. Okay, don't miss that video. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. So this video is very important for those who are studying MPC, BPC, intermediate secondary students. That's why. So please share this video and help them. So thanks.